This is a tabletop drill press, which are ideal for accurate repetitive drilling, taking out the effort from a handheld drill whilst letting the machine do all the hard work for you. It's a 500 watt drill press with a chuck capacity ranging from 1.5mm to 16mm. The press has a spindle travel of 50mm and can run from speeds of 580 rpm to 2650 rpm just by adjusting the pulley selection. This makes it suitable for wood and steel drilling. There are 3 large heavy duty handles for increased leverage and maximum control. The adjustable depth, stop and laser guide with an on-off switch accurately marks the drilling point for quick and easy repeat drilling. The table raises up and down easily via the rack and pinion handle, and it can tilt left and right for angled drilling. There is an angle gauge to position accurately. The drill press has an emergency stop button to turn off the machine easily. Weighing in at 21.5 kilos, this drill press can be moved around easily if you have to. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.